I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to Kamla Online Classes, children. First thing, I want to tell that look at the board. This myself, Mrs. Fatima, class LKG, subject literacy. Literacy means English subject, children. Now look at the board. This is the term 2, children. We started the new book. No, this is a term 2 book. See here. This is the term 2 book. Term 2 we are starting. In the term 2 book, we are going to start part 2. Part 2. In English, we are going to start the part 2. Page number 5, 6, 7. We will do class 1. Okay? One page we give homework. Okay? Required things you see, children. Term book, we require things. Term book 2. Term book 2. Not one. Pencil, eraser. Okay, children? Once look at the board. Already we completed I, no children. In the last part we completed I. I for import, I for ice cream, I for igloo. We completed the part 1. Now part 2 is J. J for what, children? Look at the board. J for jar. J for joker. J for juice. What? See, once open the book. Open the book, children. Open the book. Page number 5. See, page number 5 open. This is the letter J. We learn how to write the letter J and what things will come with the J. J for jar. Your mummy will make some paste, juices in the jar, no? Jar. J for juice. You all will like to drink juice? Yes, this is a juice. This is a joker. See? This is a joker. J for jar, J for juice, J for joker. See? J for jar, J for juice, J for joker. Okay, children? What you have to do? You have to color this. This is also homework, children. Write today's date. This is the homework. Here you have to do the coloring. You should not do anything, just you have to do these 3 colorings. Okay, children? Understood? Page number? Page number 5. Do coloring. You have to do the coloring for this. Use crayons, children, or oil pastels. Don't use sketch pens. See these 3 pictures you have to do the coloring. Now open the page number 6. Page number 6. Yes, write today's date. Open the page number 6. What is this? J. Capital J, capital J, capital J, small j, small j. Now we learn how to write the J. Take your pencils. Take your pencils. Take your term books. Yes, children. Take your pencil. Take your eraser. Write today's date here. Write the date. Write CW. CW write. This is class of children. See how to write J. See children, how you write the J? I will show you. See, sleeping line, standing up line, curved lines. Take crayon pencil and do like this. Only one time enough. Use crayons. Okay children? See like this. Sleeping line, standing up line, curve. See. J for joker. Small j how? Standing up line, curve line, dot. Standing up line, curve line, dot. Standing up line, curve line, dot. Now you open a term book. Term book page number 6. Take your pencil, eraser, take crayon pencil to teacher. Draw like this. like this. One line, see. Standing up line, curved. J for jug. Dots are given, arrow marks are given, see. Follow that. J for jug. J for jug. J for jug. See how I am doing, you should do like that only, children. Don't scribble it, don't do rubbish. Take crayon pencil, nicely, neatly you have to do. Like this line, standing up, sleeping line, standing up line, like this curve. Okay, small j. Standing up line, little curve, little and dot. See, standing up line, little curve. Standing up line, little curve, thanks. See, standing up line, little curve, dot. This is nothing but dot. Like this, children. How you write J? Like this. Small j like this. Like this. Okay? You are understood now? I hope you all are completed. Dear parents, your child is unable to complete with me. Please take the screenshot and make them to do complete. And now you open the page number. We completed this also. Open the page number 7. Page number 7. See, page number 7 is given. See, children, page number 7. Write today's date. Write CW here. Write CW. CW means class work, children, nothing. Trace and write. See the picture. I for igloo. I for ice cream. J for jam. J for joker. Look at the book. See, this line is given now. Year 1, year 1, year 1. Only 3 times you have to write. Don't write here and there. And don't make the book dirty. Only 3 letters should come. 3 letters should come in one line. Okay, children, look at the board. How I am writing. Look at the board. See here. I for ice cream. 2 times. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I, small I. You should touch only these 2 lines, children. I for ice cream. Small I. See, this is the capital J. J should touch red line, blue line, children. Standing up line. Little curve. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Only 3 times you have to write. Okay, don't write here and don't make the page dirty, children. Don't scribble. See, J. Small j should start from the blue line. 1 line, 2 line, 3 line. You should touch dawn red line. Okay? Dawn red line you should touch. J for jug. J for joker. J for jug. Only 3 times you should write. Okay, children? Once again I will show. I will draw and I will show. Don't write dirty handwriting, children. Okay? See here, big I will write. I will write the big letter I will show. See, I will write I. How you write I like this? Upright line, standing up line, sleeping line. I. See. Small I. Capital J. Capital J should touch 1, 2, 3 upright line. And small j should touch down red line, children. It will be touching the down red line. Understood, children? You all understood? Yes, children. This I showed how to write. I am showing. This is not there in the term book, but I am showing which line you should touch. I should touch up red line, blue line, blue line. 3 lines you should touch. And small I should touch only these 2 lines, blue lines. J, capital J should touch up red line, blue line, blue line. 3 lines you should touch. J, small j should touch blue line, and down red line. See, down red line we are touching. This J is touching up red line, capital J. Small j is touching down red line. You all got my children? Don't get confused. Okay? We completed this now. Page number 8 is a homework, children. Page number 8 is a homework. Open this page number 8. Draw an object beginning with the letter I. Yes, draw any picture which will start with the letter I. You can draw ice cream. I for ice cream easily you can draw on your children legs. Okay, draw with the blue pen. Good job. Like this. I for ice cream. It's looking like ice cream, children. See, like this ice cream. Yes, cherry. This is ice cream. Finished. Homework is finished. So easy, no? See, he gave the small eye, no? With the eye, any one picture I have to draw. Finished homework. Write J in the circle. These circles are given, no? Here you should write capital J, small j. Okay? Capital J, small j. Write in the circle. Okay, children? You have seen, no? I hope you all are understanding, children. Now, we'll read the spellings. Jar, jar. Juice, juice. Joker, joker. Come on. J for jar, jar, jar. J for jar. Jar. J for joker. J for juice. See, children. Now, parents, please note down the homework. Do page number 8 in the term 2 book. And page number 5, coloring in term book only. Okay. Do page number 8 and 5, page number 5 and 8 in term book 2. Page number 5 is coloring, children. Okay, page number 5 is this coloring you have to do. Take crayons and do it. Color it. Don't use sketch pen, children. You are spoiling the book. Pages are spoiling. And page number 8. This page number 8 homework. These 2 pages are homework, children. I hope you all understood how to write J. Parents, please make the child to do the practice at home. Take one rough note and make them to do the practice. They need written practice more. They are unable to write the letters properly. Please help them to write the letters. Make them write in the rough note. Okay, children, listen to your parents and do the practice. Written practice is needed. Okay, children, we'll meet you in the next video. Okay, bye. Take care.